Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurlia Ramadhani and student number 6325070 and from class 83 to C and 28. And today I would like to explain about inside the computer and hardware. A computer is an electronic device that can process, store, and display data. Computers are widely used in many areas such as education, business, communication, and entertainment. Understanding computers' components is important because every part of a computer has its own function. Inside a computer, there are many important components that work together as one system. These components help the computer process information, store data, and perform commands from user. The internal components are very important because they affect the performance and speed of the computer. The first component is the arithmetic logic unit or ALU. The ALU performs arithmetic calculations such as addition and subtraction and also logical operation. The second component is the control unit. The control unit controls and manages all activities inside the computer system. It tells other components what to do. The next component is memory. Memory is used to store data and instructions temporarily or permanently. Lastly, there are input and output devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer, while output devices display information to user. Each computer component has an important function. The ALU process calculation and logical tests. The control unit coordinates all computer operation and control the flow of data. Memory stores important information so the computer can access it quickly. Input and output devices allow users to communicate with the computer system. All components work together to ensure the computer operates properly and efficiently. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched. Hardware is very important because it supports the operation of software and computer systems. Without hardware, a computer cannot function properly. There are several types of hardware in a computer system. Input devices are used to enter data and commands into the computer. Output devices are used to display or produce information. Storage devices are used to save files and data for future use. Processing devices are responsible for processing data and managing computer operation. Some common examples of hardware are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, and speaker. A keyboard is used to type data and commands into the computer. A mouse is used to control the cursor on the screen. A monitor displays visual information such as text, image, and videos. A printer is used to print documents and pictures onto paper. Lastly, a speaker produces sound output such as music or audio. These hardware devices help users interact with the computer effectively. In conclusion, the components inside the computer and hardware device are an essential part of a computer system. Each component has its own function and work together to help the computer operate efficiently. By understanding computer hardware, we can learn more about how computers work in daily life. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.